a local law firm. We're based in the Thomas area. We do a lot of construction and real estate-related cases. Our construction cases are primarily construction defect cases representing homeowners. So we provide a service to homeowners that most homeowners are not aware of. It's a service whereby they buy a home that's under 10 years old. It has various issues with construction. The typical homeowner receives a warranty from the builder, and the builder says you have 1 or 2 years for these issues and maybe 10 years for these issues. However, there's a law in place. It's often called SB 800 or Civil Code 896 that says you can recover for various defects for up to 10 years, well beyond what the builder tells you. So we actually provide this to homeowners to either make a claim for repairs or litigation to recover damages for construction defects. Yep. And we handle these cases on a contingency basis, so there's no out-of-pocket cost to homeowners. We advance all the costs and take the risk on to try to recover monetary damages against the builders.
Yeah, and actually, Matt, it's so funny, and I've talked about this numerous times on the show, and that is so often, you're out there in a home, and this was typical of the area that I was in, that, the builder has a way of just kind of, making you think you're the only one that has this problem, out there too, only to find out, once you get, say, your law firm, involved here, is that there's 500 more people having the same problem, and the builder many times is covering this all up. And so it is important to get some legal direction, on this.
That's exactly right. I mean, most builders try to isolate you, and they tell you things, and you expect them to be the expert. They're the professionals. They know everything about construction. I've actually been in meetings where, with family members, where they have a new house and a builder comes in making representation saying, "Oh, you can't do anything about that crack. That's standard industry, and this is the law behind it." And it's a flat-out lie. The lobby, and then they're making statements like you can only get money for a crack if it's 3/8 of an inch, and that's not what the law says at all. The law says significant cracks, and so there's varying opinions as to what that is, but these builder representatives come in saying this is the law, and it's really not the case. And so you just have to be wary as to what you're being told, and understand that there is support out there and services you can go to if you don't feel you're getting a fair treatment from the builder.
Yep. And matter of fact, Matt, one of the things is that there's no upfront cost, for you to come in, check out the situation. You normally work on contingency. You got, plaster falling off your house or big cracks in your plaster. The builder's sitting there telling you, hey, well, it's out of warranty. Can't do anything about it. And they give you a call, and you come in, and you find that, number one, there's many homes that are having this problem. And so you come in on a contingency basis and represent the homeowners.
That's correct. I mean, we provide a free consultation to help evaluate the claims. And sometimes there are issues that just aren't recoverable. We can't do anything about it. Right. But if they're viable issues you can go after the builder for, we will evaluate those on a free consultation basis, and we also will retain experts to go out and fully investigate your home to really determine what's going on with your house. Do you have any recourse against the builder? And so there is no out-of-pocket cost. We don't have a retainer. We're paid on the back end. If we can get some sort of positive recovery for the homeowner, then we get some attorney fees at the end.